Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and price actually gapped down quite a bit, so it wasn't even really necessarily a break of that line. It was just a flat-out gap down below it. But nonetheless, even with the price now being down below it, that still leads to the first update that needs to be done, and that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, right up here at 41, right around, let's just call it $41, is going to be that main area of resistance if there is any sort of attempted stabilization and then movement back to the upside. So that'll be actually a very revealing level, because if it gets up there, it's a good question to be asking. All right, well, yeah, the price is bouncing, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind the bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And again, just monitoring how the price behaves around that level will be very insightful into just how strong or really not strong any sort of attempted bounce is. So definitely keep a close eye on that. As far as areas of support are concerned, first key level to watch, going to be right down there at the 36.75 mark. And that'll be a level that many people are watching, myself included. I mean, that sticks out like a sore thumb. It basically bounced from there during the first 30 minutes. And then late day when the price rolled back over, once again held strong. So while it's certainly not a guarantee of anything, my point here is it's a more than valid thought to have that if the price consolidates some more and then breaks down through that level, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So definitely you're going to want to keep an eye on that level too. And if that level does fail as support, then the next key level of support would then be down here around this gap close location, basically $1 lower at the 35.75 mark. And then a 35.75 can't quite hold up. Well, at that point, things could really start to get that much nastier, but we'll see what happens with it and how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.